Hi friend, my name is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee and as you all know I'm a booktuber and I'm making video on this book. The name of this book is Practice of Brahmacharya. And friends, as I always say, this book is this long and I cannot make this full book in one video. So what I'm doing is that I'm making each and every topic on each and every video so you can understand it in a better way, friends. Okay. And friends, what I'm doing is that I'm giving number to each and every video. So if you come sequence wise 1, 2, 3, 4, you will understand it in a better way. Apart from seeing 18 video, 20 video, 43 video, there is quite possibility that you get confused, friends. Okay. And friends, if you have any doubt, you can directly ask me in the comment section because I do see the comments and I give answer to each and every comments, friends. Okay. And friends, you can also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee 1906. So I will spell it for you, friends. Okay. It's ABHIMANYU BHATTACHARJE 1906. And friends, before proceeding further, I would like to tell you, do subscribe my channel, like the video, press the bell icon. So whenever I update a new video, you will get the notification, friends. Okay. So friends, in our last video, I've covered the topic called Brahmacharyans, Ancient and Modern. Okay. And friends, in our today's video, I'm going to cover the topic called Lose Life is Not Freedom. Okay. So friends, this is 87 number video and the topic is Lose Life is Not Freedom. So let us see what Swami Sivananda is telling to us in this topic, friends. Okay. The world is in dire need of such ideal women. So yes, Swami Sivananda is telling that world is in the dire need of such ideal women. I wish that the world may abound with such glorious women. So Swami Sivananda is telling that he wishes that the world should get abound with such glorious women. I do not condemn women. I do not oppose giving them education and freedom. So Swami Swaminatha is telling that I do not oppose women and I do not oppose women from giving education and freedom. I have the highest veneration for women. So Swami Swaminatha is telling that Swami Swaminatha ji have a highest veneration for the women. I adore them as Devis or goddess. So Swami Sivananda is telling I adore women as Devis and goddess. But I am not in favor of such freedom for women as will ruin them. So Swami Sivananda is telling I am not in favor of such freedom for women which is going to ruin them. I am in favor of such education and culture as will make them immortal and glorious. So Swami Sivananda is telling that Swami Sivananda is in that interested in giving that education and culture to the women which is going to make them more glorious as will make them ideal women like Sulabha, Meera and Maitri. So Swami Sivananda is telling that they are going to make them ideal women like Sulabha, Meera and Maitri, like Savitri and Damayanti. So like Savitri and also Damayanti. This is what I want, this is what everybody would like. So Swami Sivananda is telling this is the thing what Swami Sivananda wants and this is the thing which everybody is going to like, friends. Okay. So this Swami Sivananda is telling to us in this topic. Lose life is not perfect freedom. So Swami Sivananda is telling losing the life is not a perfect freedom. Some women of India have ruined themselves by taking advantage of this false freedom. So Swami Sivananda is telling that some women have ruined themselves by taking the advantage of the false freedom, friends. Okay, so this Swami Sivananda is telling to us in this topic. There is no limit to the freedom which the so-called educated woman enjoys now. So Swami Sivananda is telling there is no meaning of this freedom where so-called educated women enjoys now at this point of time. This freedom has caused many homes to be wrecked. So Swami Sivananda is telling this freedom has caused many homes to be wrecked. It has created disorders in society. It has brought shame on many respectable families. So Swami Sivananda is telling that this have created a record in the society and which have brought shame in many families. The girls, in their intangible craving for freedom, have overstepped the limit and lost that priceless possession which the women of the past could keep untarnished. So Swami Swananda is telling, in the name of freedom, girls have lost many prickless possession which women in the earlier past could keep untarnished. tarnished, friends. Okay, so this Swami Sivananda ji is telling to us in this topic. By mixing with men freely, women lose her dignity, modesty, feminine grace. So Swami Sivananda is telling by mixing with men freely, those women have lost modesty, feminine grace, and the sanctity of her person and character, and also the sanctity of the person and her character. There can be and there have been exception. A woman who mixes with men freely in public life and yet remains pure must be certainly superhuman. So Swami Sivananda is telling that a woman who mixes with a man in publicly and also is pure is a superhuman. An ordinary woman with her natural passion will soon succumb. Human nature will fulfill itself. So Swami Sivananda is telling the ordinary nature of the woman, which is going to suck itself, and it is going to fulfill the scrum. Okay, friends. So this Swami Sivananda is telling to us in this topic. What is there in a woman's life if her purity is lost? So Swami Sivananda is telling what is there in a woman's life if her purity is lost. She is only a living corpse if there is no purity. So Swami Sivananda is telling that she is only a living corpse if there is no purity. Although she may be rolling in wealth and moving in high circle in the society. So Swami Sivananda is telling she may be in rolling wealth and also moving in high class in the society. Promiscuous mixing will lead to distress results. So promising mixing is always lead to a distress result. Even rishis and yogins who are clad in rags, who live in the roots in solution. So also the rishis and yogins who are clad, they also lives in the solution, will be pulled down by the dark force of nature if they are careless. So Swami Sivananda is telling that they are going to be pulled out by the dark forces of nature if they are careless. Then what to speak of women who eat daily dainties and sweet meat. So Swami Sivananda is telling what to tell about this woman who eat daily dainties and the sweet meats, who are clad in perfume, velvet and silk with lace border. So who are clad in perfume, silk and also in the lace border, who are given too much mixing, who do not lead a life of self-control. So Swami Swaminanda is telling the women who are giving the freedom of too much mixing, they do not live a life of self-control, who have no religious training and discipline. So Swami Swaminanda is telling the women who have no religious training and discipline, who have no idea of the inner life and the religion of emancipation. So Swami Swaminanda is telling who have no idea of inner life and the religion of insapitation. Okay. Oh wise reader, I leave this for your own consideration, reflection, cognition, and deliberation. So Swami Sivananda is telling the wise leaders, I leave it on you of your consideration, reflection, coordination, and deliberation, friends. Okay. So this Swami Sivananda is telling to us in this topic. Women should not do anything that can bring dishonor or infamy on them and their family. So Swami Sivananda is telling that women should not do any such thing which can bring dishonor or infamy on them and their family, and the blot on their character. So Swami Sivananda is telling and the blot on their character. Without a character, a man or a woman is considered as dead while living. So Swami Sivananda is telling that without a character, and a man and woman is considered to be dead while living. Women should be very careful and cautious when they move in the society. So Swami Sivananda is telling women should be very careful and cautious when they move in the society. They should avoid too much talking. So Swami Sivananda is telling women should always avoid too much talking, too much mixing, guffaw and giggling. So women should what you call avoid too much giggling and guffawing. So this Swami Sivananda is telling to us in this topic. They should not always walk in a dignified manner. So Swami Sivananda is telling that women should always not walk in a dignified manner. They should never look at men with a flittering gesture. So Swami Sivananda is telling they should not look at the men at any point of time in the flittering gesture. Clothes should not be too tight or revealing abdomen. Makeup. So Swami Shivananda ji is telling women should not wear a tight clothes, and they should not reveal their abdomen in makeup, friends. Okay, so this Swami Shivananda ji is telling to us in this topic. So friends, in our this topic I have covered the concept called loose life is not freedom. So this topic. Now in next topic I am going to cover, friends, that is brahmacharya necessary for women? So this I'm going to cover in the next topic, friends. Okay, so friends, this brings to end of today's video. I'll be meeting you in the next video. Till then, goodbye, take care, and I will be meeting in the next video. Till then, goodbye, take care, friends. Okay.